I know YouTubers who make as much as 6,000 US dollars per month right here in Kenya. I know others who make up to 10,000 US dollars a month. Guys, your YouTube channel might be what is standing between you and your forever partner. In this month of love, when this video is going up, this could be your ticket to finding your forever, guys. 6 reasons why you need to start your YouTube channel today. That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So you want to stick up to the very end so you can learn more. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Eva Mtali and this is Eva Mtali Finance. This is your #1 YouTube channel for all things money, all things side hustle, passive income. So if any of those topics sound exciting to you, you want to make sure you are subscribed to the channel and make sure to also hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I shoot a new video, you do not miss out. Without much further ado, let's dive in and take a look at some of the 6 reasons why I think now is the best time for you to start your own YouTube channel. So the #1 reason why you need to start a YouTube channel today is because it is free, guys. It's free to start a YouTube channel and the barriers to entry are so minimal. All that you need, #1, is to have a Gmail account. So if you are having a Gmail account, you can actually try this. If you're able to comment on this video or you're able to give it a like or a thumbs up, then you automatically have a YouTube channel. If you're not able to, the moment you try to give this video a like or try to make a comment, then YouTube is going to ask you to create a channel, and it takes less than a second, guys, to create your YouTube channel. And you just have to think of a name. If you can't think of one, just use your name, and after some time, when you're sure what content you want to create, then you can give your YouTube channel a name that resonates with your content. And if you're wondering, Eva, what am I even going to talk about on my YouTube channel? I always encourage people to start a YouTube channel on any one of the following 3 things. So #1, your YouTube channel can be about something that you are so familiar with, something that you know better than the average person on the street, something that you can talk about for hours on end, something you can talk about in the middle of the night. If you are waking up in the middle of the night and asked about this topic, you can talk about it without sweating so hard, and that is something you can start your YouTube channel about. In my case, it's travel, guys. I am so passionate about travel. I could talk for hours on end about travel and all the related things. I am also so passionate about all things finance, side hustling, passive income, making money online, and you will notice that my YouTube channels are around these topics. Another theme that you can consider when you're starting a YouTube channel is to talk about those things you are interested in learning about. So if there's any subject, any topic you are interested in learning about, then you could start a YouTube channel about it, because the best part is that you are gonna hit 2 birds with 1 stone. You're gonna learn about that thing or about that topic, and you're gonna document it or document your journey. So I'll give you an example. About 3 years ago, I started learning how to play the violin, and I also started learning Kenya Sign Language. And I just documented my experiences, and I had so much content to put on my YouTube channel. So if you are considering learning something or you have started learning, you can document your journey. You can document the process of learning that thing, and before you know it, you're gonna have so much content for your YouTube channel. And the advantage of going this route is that it won't feel like a burden running your YouTube channel, and you will never run out of content. #3 thing that I always encourage people to start their YouTube channels around is those things you'd still be doing anyway, even if you didn't have a YouTube channel. So for example, if you love traveling, yeah, you'd still travel even if you didn't have a YouTube channel. So how about documenting that trip, documenting that flight, documenting that destination on a video? Yeah, so those are some of the things I would encourage people to start their YouTube channels about. If you're up for it, some of the content that elicits a lot of views is things around politics, things around sports, things about gossip. So if that's your cup of tea, then you can consider that as well. And then in terms of what you need to start a YouTube channel, I've already talked about, you need a Gmail address that is free. It's very easy to get one. You need any source of camera, and guys, don't bother buying the most expensive DSLR camera. Start with what you have. I'm actually shooting this video on my phone, even though I have a DSLR camera. It's just easier maneuvering it. And then you need light, and don't worry about ring lights and the like. Take advantage of natural light. I am actually just sitting by a window that has some light coming through, and that's all I'm using, guys. You don't need all the fancy equipment until you can afford it, or until your YouTube channel can pay for it. And obviously you're gonna need internet, so which again, if you're in a country like Kenya, for example, is not very expensive. You can buy bundles that are always on offer and just upload your content. So I'd encourage you to shoot, like maybe if you're shooting 5 videos a week, shoot all your videos and then take advantage of the times when there's internet bundles on offer, and just upload all your content at once and schedule it for the week, guys. So the number 2 reason why I think you should start a YouTube channel right now is the perks that come with being a YouTuber. So one of the advantages of having a YouTube channel, especially when it has grown to some substantive level, you have a decent amount of subscribers, is the free perks, which could come from either your fans, your viewers, or it could also come from the different brands that wants to sponsor you. So in my case, for example, I remember sometime, I think it was in 2020, just before the start of COVID, I had traveled to Argentina and Brazil, and unfortunately lost my phone in Brazil. So when I came back to Kenya, I realized I didn't have my phone, so I wasn't doing a lot. I was doing a lot of Instagram content back then, and so I wasn't able to shoot much content. And for my video channel, I had already shot the video, so I just edited them and put them out there. And I was even encouraging guys to subscribe to my Instagram account. And for almost a whole month, because I didn't have my phone then, and those days Instagram was mobile only. It's not like today where you're able to create upload content via your computer. So I wasn't able to upload any content on my Instagram account. And one of my concerned fans decided to find out why I wasn't uploading content, and when I explained what happened, they're like, I'm gonna buy you a phone. And they bought me this phone that I currently have, and I'm so grateful. God bless your heart. Thank you so much. So those are just some of the advantages you have as a YouTuber, and I cannot begin to list for you the brands that have reached out to me for my other Travel with Eva Mtali channel. They want collaborations here and there. So those are just some of the perks that comes with being a YouTuber. Yeah. Number 3 reason why I think you need to start a YouTube channel now is, especially if you're single, my single brothers and sisters, you could actually get yourself a spouse. Yeah, you could get yourself a husband and a wife. And if you've been around the internet for quite some time, you probably know about Wodemaya, you know about Miss Trudy, who got engaged on top of Mount Kilimanjaro, guys. These guys are YouTubers, they're African-based YouTubers, and they met as a result of YouTube. Wodemaya, I think, was coming to Kenya or something, or I think in Ethiopia or somewhere, and these two got in touch, and now they are a couple, guys. Number 4 reason why I think you need to start a YouTube channel today is YouTube is very inclusive these days, unlike way back in the past where YouTube was mostly so vanilla. These days there's a lot of dark chocolate, and I have also noticed that YouTube is purposely promoting a lot of African content, for example, Asian content, for example, and we even have things like YouTube Black as a thing these days. Back in the day, we didn't have anything like that. So YouTube is very inclusive, and that means it doesn't matter where in the world you're based, you can actually create content, and YouTube will work to promote it to as many audiences as possible. If you just took, for example, a random search on the YouTube search right now and clicked on, let's say, African Village, for example, you're gonna see a lot of content that is getting millions and millions of views, and YouTube is purposely just promoting such kind of content. Or if you check around content that is being shot in China and is promoting the Chinese culture, or being shot in Vietnam and it's promoting the Vietnamese culture, or being shot in Uzbekistan and it's promoting the Uzbek culture, you're gonna see a lot of views on those kind of videos. So guys, you don't have to travel to, I don't know which country in Europe to create content. You can literally create content in your own backyard and you're gonna get views for it. That's how inclusive YouTube has become. Last but not least reason why you need to start a YouTube channel now, and which is my favorite reason, guys, YouTube pays, and it pays a hell lot of money. You can check my other videos where I discuss some of the payments I have received from YouTube. And guys, it's a full-time job for some people. You can make anything. I know YouTubers who make as much as $6,000 per month right here in Kenya. I know others who make up to $10,000 a month. Guys, if for no other reason you need to start your own YouTube channel, it's because of the money. And I'm talking about money that comes through YouTube ads. And for you to join YouTube ads, number one, you're gonna need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and you're also gonna need to have at least 4,000 hours watch time on your videos. And guys, this looks like a lot, but you never know which of your videos is gonna go viral. You could actually get both your 1,000 subscribers and the watch time that you need on just one video, and you'll never know if you don't start. And then of course there are other ways you can still make money on YouTube. Even if you're not yet monetized, you could sell your own personal services or products on your channel. At the description box you can put a link to where people can find your products and services. You're able to promote affiliate links on your YouTube channel, and when people buy or purchase a product or a service you have promoted, then the owner of that product or service is going to give you a commission. You can sell things like t-shirts and merchandise and all that stuff through your YouTube channel. You can create a course through your YouTube channel, and you probably have also seen YouTubers who ask for donations on their YouTube channels through things like Patreon or through PayPal or through Mpesa. So you can actually ask for your viewers to give you some money as well. So guys, I hope those 6 reasons have convinced you to start a YouTube channel today. Let me know in the comments section below, guys, what is stopping you from starting a YouTube channel. Thank you for staying up to the very end of this video. As usual, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, and share it with all other people that might also find it useful. Thank you for staying up to the very end of this video. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye guys.